Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what we're going to be getting into is a pair that's going to be coming next month. We got right here the Black Cement Jordan 3. We see these returning. I believe the last time they did them was 2018, if I'm correct. That's just off the top of my head. I could be wrong, but it's been a little bit since we've seen these. Not too long, but yeah, we got some nice stuff with this pair. I'll get into showing y'all the other one, everything else, and yeah, really what we got with this shoe. This retro. So yeah, if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Again, let's try and hit 300 likes on this video. That's a normal goal. Just lets me know y'all want more early unboxings like this, and I'll bring them. And you can also check us out down below at Resell Vision. You can see some of the deals we did last night, some of the ones we're doing this week. I'm going to be dropping a few more things tonight, but not too many things because I got to sort some of the stuff from last week, and of course some of the stuff that I did last night. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys join down below and don't miss out. And of course, we're actually going to be doing a giveaway for this pair soon, so don't miss out. That's everything I need to say, other than you can check me on my IGs down below. If you're ever trying to buy, sell, or trade with me, just hit me up, swipe up my story. I got lots of stuff for sale there. And why don't we get started on, well, reviewing this pair right here. So first things first, I'm gonna get up and I'm actually gonna set the pair down because I want to show y'all the box first. So the box, just a pretty regular Jordan 3 box, as y'all can see. That's what we got. It's like the same box we saw on the Fire Red 3s, you know what I mean? That's at least, I saw a pair of those recently, or had a pair of them, so yeah, I'm just kind of comparing to those, but that's really what we got. Regular box. There's the size tag if y'all need to see a 100% legit pair right there. Boom, there's your size tag with everything on it. So aside from that, there's not any extra laces in the box, at least when I was peeking the first time. Let me do another look. Yeah, there's nothing there, but just kind of like a elephant print wrapping paper. Oh, something fell out though. Something fell out. Hold up. Oh yeah, here we go. We see this with a lot of Jordan 3s. So there you guys can see that kind of unique tag right there, and I believe it shows some information right there. Boom. So cool little tag we got with these, and there you go. There it is, kind of laid out right there. So pretty cool. Shows you all the build, everything with them. But a good little read them. I'm just taking a look right now. But aside from that, some details about the actual shoe. So I'm going to grab this pair right here because this one has that little tag with it. As you guys can see, we saw this recently with the military blues and with the Bread Reimagined. I do think the Bread Reimagined tag was different though. It was kind of like a black and gray tag maybe. I could be wrong on that. Maybe I'm just thinking off the top of my head. But yeah, aside from that, there's a little tag with it. You guys can see the elephant print on that kind of nice black leather, as y'all can see. Pretty good leather. Not the, best, but pretty good. That's all I can say. I mean, I know these are going to be popular, so that's probably not going to be something most people are. It feels like it's pretty comfy though. Like as a shoe, it feels like there's some good padding on the inside by your ankle. This seems like a good everyday personal. And yeah, we can also show you all this back here by the heel, the Nike Air. I'll grab both the shoes for this example right here. So there you go. You guys can see that. There's the Nike Air. I actually like how that looks with that elephant print. I think that fits. It just with the black colorway. White letters and just kind of like that gray print. I think it works. It all fits together really well, if that makes sense. Excuse me, I was jumbling over my words right there. But aside from that, we can flip it around right here. You guys can see. Excuse me, jeez. The tongue tag we got right there, the red Jumpman, just embroidered on. Got kind of a gray background. Also, we can see right here. There it is. The soles on these, so you can see it says Nike right there. And just kind of a gray look, throughout most of the sole, red center. Again, there you guys can see. So just like the OGs, I thought that's pretty cool how they did it. I wish the tag was, like the OG one where it's kind of like, not like this cheap plastic. Like they actually put some effort into, making the tags, but I get it. Maybe there were some changes that had to be made or something like that. And, the insole is just kind of a red, yeah, there you go. You can see it says Nike Air. Just red with black letters. And the red, it's just the Nike logo, and then it just says Nike Air. So, yeah, it's not really too crazy. Like, yeah, there's not much to show, right? Like on the inside of the shoe. Yeah, I can't really see it. But, yeah, that's what I can say. And overall, just a simple, good pair of Jordan 3s. I feel like we can't go wrong with these. It's been a minute since we've seen them, so it's, good time for Nike to do them again. There you go. Y'all can see. I mean, these look clean. It's just a good shoe that you could wear every day. I still got to get a couple 3s for my collection. This might be, one of those ones I'm like, you know what, I'll grab a pair of these. And, this is my size right now, but actually I'd already sold this one to somebody on my IG, so shout out to, whoever came through and got these a little bit early from me. But let me know how y'all are feeling about these in the comments. We're going to do some B-roll shots for these in a second, but I just want to give y'all a good look. Let me know how y'all are feeling. Do you feel like this will be a cop? Is it just a drop because it's not your style? let me know. Do you feel like Nike needed to redo these? I feel like it was a good time for them to redo them. You know, the past pair was getting up there to like $400, something like that. Most people probably were not wanting to fork out $400 for this sneaker right here. Well, I mean, let me correct myself. You know, this is a shoe that people will fork out $400 for because A, it's a classic pair, and, you know, nostalgia factor just, that hits people. But right now, what I was going to say is that it was a good time for Nike to do again because that pair was just getting up there in price, and, you know, the average person would probably not be wanting to pay that. They would, but they wouldn't want to. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. So it's just a good time for Nike to, you know, do another one of these. I think there's about 400,000, a little bit over 400,000 that we're going to be seeing on sneakers and amongst the retailers. So keep that in mind. There will be healthy stock for these. I can't remember what the last pair that we had, the white cement Reimagined. I can't remember how much stock those had, but I feel like, you know, the resale is going to be very, very similar on these, where they'll kind of float to that, you know, 240, 260 range. They'll get a bit cheaper. Some folks will be calling them bricks. And then all of a sudden, you know, back to school time will come around because these are dropping in November. So, I mean, you just wait a few months, boom, we'll be in the next year, back to school time, summer before you know it. And yeah, these are going to be a very popular model for next year, back to school. I will bet on that. I mean, there will be, I mean, and it's not going to be like the initial drop hype, right, at that time, but there will probably be not as many pairs out there at that point, and there's going to be a lot of people buying shoes in August. So I feel like this will be one of those shoes that'll be a really hot selling one in the month of August next year, and that is the reason why these would be a good flip then, and why you maybe could get one or two, put them on ice, and maybe see some progress on those in the future. But this is mainly only one of those shoes I'd hold in bulk, not just get one or two of them and, you know, be like, oh, I'm going to make $500. No, that's not going to happen, just holding two pairs. But if you have a bunch of them, yeah, that'll happen. I mean, you cannot go wrong with these. It's a classic pair. Again, one of my favorite things to say is I like holding classic pairs because people are going to come back to them, and down the line, they end up going for money because people come back to them. That nostalgia factor, pay, you know, it's people pay for that. People pay to have stuff they used to have, you know what I mean? Especially if they don't have it anymore. But that's what I can say about this sneaker right here. Just some information on the resale. Currently, they're going for about $300 to $400. And you, again, got my kind of after drop resale estimation, what I think will happen. I don't have a prediction yet. 240, 260 is, again, that's maybe. It just depends how many they make. 400,000 is an early prediction right now. So aside from that, we're going to get into some B-roll shots for this pair, show you guys what it looks like up close with some good lighting, good shots on them. And yeah, you guys can let me know. I love that part right there. But yeah, you guys can let me know your thoughts in the comments right now, or, you know, when we get to the outro. But let's just do some shots for this shoe. Excuse me. That was going to be hard for me to say right now. So let's go. Anyways, guys, if you all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below, and let me know your thoughts on the Black Cement Reimagined. I feel like it probably is a reimagined pair. I mean, it's in the name, it's on all the apps. That's what Alias and StockX are saying. So it's probably a reimagined pair. I mean, you know what I mean? The white cement Reimagined, I kind of understood a little bit more because, like, the box was aged and all that. The box isn't aged at all for this one. So, you know, it's just like, it doesn't have the same effort put in, but it's still a great pair. So that's my personal thoughts on it. Probably Reimagined. So, yeah, aside from that, let me know your thoughts on the shoe, how you guys are feeling about it. Are you going to be copping or dropping? And don't forget, of course, if anybody needs a pair, hit me on my Instagram down below. I'll buy and sell and trading. I'll be trading again soon, but I'm buying and selling right now. So if anybody's interested, just hit me up there and I will get back to you. And I should have more of these soon. So just DM me for a quote. I'll have them soon. Other stuff is for sale on my store that like I have now. So yeah, feel free to check it out. And you can check us at Resell Vision down below because we're going to be giving away a pair of these soon. So you want to, you know, chance to win a pair of these, you know, for the free. Make sure you guys join down below there. Don't miss out. And you see some of the deals that we're doing this week. So don't miss out. That's every single day in there. Obviously tonight I'll be doing a little bit less because I got to sort some items, but I'm still going to be doing stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything I need to mention there. I've said my stuff and I want to hear how you guys are feeling about this one right here. For me, it's a cop. I mean, whenever you get a pair like this, classic one, I'm gonna be in. So that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. Let me know how y'all are feeling about the Black Cement Reimagined, and I will catch y'all in the next video, which will be tomorrow. See you guys then. Peace.